All right, ladies and gentlemen. I'm letting my welder cool down because this thing, I've been going for hours just putting shit together. So there's my lower door bar welds. Plates are welded in, both sides. And I showed you the upper bar there. But what you did not see is this little baby. I've had better welds in my life, but these ones will do just fine. Look like a little kitty pillar right there. We'll do another bar from here to the cross diagonal piece, but there it's welded at the bottom. And the door bars welded at the bottom. And the bottom plates are welded in there. Next we're gonna get on this dash bar here and this rear bar. And I'm pretty much just doing everything that I have enough steel to do while I can. Those are my last two big pieces. And I think they're gonna end up being door bars. The ones that come across here. Maybe. I haven't decided yet what we're gonna do with them. I've got to be strategic about it because those, I still have to come from these A-pillar bars out, and we're actually gonna stretch this 3 inches. So this piece here doesn't even matter anymore. All that work that I did, because we're not going a factory pan length, we're gonna stretch this thing 3 to 6 inches. So fuck me, right? No, I'm kidding. It's fine. He's gonna do some extended spindles and lifted spindles, extended arms on the front on his 6-inch wider beam. So it'll go really good with the 3x3s that are gonna go in the back. So it's not a problem. It doesn't even add hardly any work. Just because I already needed to make pieces that go across there and out to the beam itself anyway. So I am not concerned. That and a 6-inch wider beam will actually make that a little bit easier. But yeah, so we're welded to the pan. All of this stuff is welded. We're going to weld those square pieces to the back. We just have the holes in it because I want this engine cage that comes out the back. I want it to be welded, or I want it to be unboltable, so that way he can take that off if he decided to, if he needed to rebuild the motor, or if he wanted to install a different motor. We are going to stretch the engine cage is going to come out quite a ways away from this motor, because I have a feeling he's going to want to do an inline 4-cylinder or a 6-cylinder. So he's going to need more room. Right now, I'm kind of figuring out what we're going to do with the Prp seats. And I think what we're going to do is we're going to run a piece of tube from here across to there. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. And for the front, we're going to go from here along this piece here that's been cut out, and we'll cap this piece off here. I want that in there for a little extra rigidity to this pan, because that's what was there from the factory. And then we're gonna do our dash bar here. That's what's sitting right there. Oh, we got that top bar in there. So I'll update you again. I haven't been recording as I go because I have just been flying on this baby today. Just busting out work. This YouTube video and stuff takes a lot of extra work. Trying to set up the camera and deal with that crap that I don't want to deal with. So that's what y'all get. All right, so right now we're getting the harness bars. They're both gonna, I'm notching this one more, notching this one more. They're both gonna come up and go level straight across. I got the rear part of the seat mounts in there. I've got a lot more shit left to do, but we're using up some old tubing. We're getting some shit in. See, those ones go across there, and then there will be two that go across the front. And then either some angle or strap, maybe even some square or something that goes that way. So that way the bottom of the seats will bolt to it. But that's it for the night, I think. I'm calling it for now. Maybe I'll see you tomorrow.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.